Hi guys! Today I am going to discuss on exterior angle theorem. Let's have first an illustration of a triangle here. So we have here triangle ABC. Then its interior angles are angle A. Then we have angle B. And we have angle ACB. So these are the interior angles. And we have here an exterior angle BCD. Now if we are going to have exterior angle BCD, its remote interior angles will be angle A and angle B. So remote interior angles are angle A and angle B. So again, in this figure, if we're going to have this exterior angle here, the remote interior angles will be angle A and angle B. Let's have the exterior angle theorem. So for any triangle, the measure of an exterior angle is equal to the sum of the measures of its two remote interior angles. Now, if we are going to have this figure here, the exterior angle here is angle 4, and its remote interior angles are angle 1 and angle 2. So this theorem means that the measure of angle 4 equals the measure of its two remote interior angles, which are measure of angle 1 plus measure of angle 2. So this is the exterior angle, and these are the two remote interior angles. So the measure of the exterior angle here, angle 4, is equal to the measure or the sum of the measures of its two remote interior angles, measure of angle 1 plus measure of angle 2. Now let's have examples of problems that can be solved using exterior angle theorem. Let's have example number 1 here. We have the figure. Exterior angle is angle 1, and its two remote interior angles are 3 and 4. Now if measure of angle 1 is 140 degrees and measure of angle 3 is 80 degrees, this is 80 here, find measure of angle 4. Now to solve this one, we're going to use the exterior angle theorem, that the measure of the exterior angle, so measure of angle 1, is equal to the sum of the measures of its two remote interior angles. So we're going to have measure of angle 3 plus measure of angle 4. Now given here that the measure of angle 1 is 140 degrees, so we're going to substitute angle 1 with 140 degrees equals measure of angle 3 is 80 degrees. Then we're going to have here plus the measure of angle 4, which is the unknown. Then transposing 80 to the left side, we can have measure of angle 4 equals 140 minus 80, and that will be 60 degrees. So the measure of angle 4 is equivalent to 60 degrees. Then for number 2, if measure of angle 3 is equal to 93 degrees and measure of angle 4 is equal to 36 degrees, find the measure of angle 1. So say measure of angle 1 is equal to the measure of angle 3 plus measure of angle 4. Then this will be equal to angle 3 is 93 degrees, so you're going to have 93 degrees here, plus the measure of angle 4 is 36 degrees. Then adding the two, 93 plus 36, that will be 129 degrees. So measure of angle 1 is equivalent to 129 degrees. Let's have example number 3 here. So for number 3, we have just an illustration, and we're going to find the value of x here. Now, the exterior angle here is equivalent to 142 degrees. Then its two remote interior angles here are 90 degrees, and the other one is x. Now, if we're going to solve this one using the exterior angle theorem, we're going to have the measure of exterior angle, which is 142 degrees. That is equal to the sum of the remote interior angles. So, remote interior angles are 90 degrees, then plus x. Then transposing 90 to the left side of the equation, you can have x equals 142 degrees minus 90 degrees. Then 142 minus 90, that will be equal to 52 degrees. So in here, this angle here measures 52 degrees. Example number 4, we have here a figure. So the exterior angle is 140, and its two remote interior angles measure x degree and 3x degree. So exterior angle theorem, we're going to have here 140, the measure of the exterior angle, equals x plus 3x, the sum of the measures of the two remote interior angles. Then we're going to have here 140 degrees equals x plus 3x is equal to 4x. Then dividing both sides by 4, that will be equal to x here, and 140 divided by 4 is 35 degrees. So x is 35 degrees, meaning this angle here measures 35 degrees. And this is 3x here, so we're going to have 3x equals 3 times 35. Then 3 times 35 is equivalent to 105. This is 105 degrees. So 3x here, this is 105 degrees. Let's have our last example, example number 5. We have here the figure. This is the exterior angle 120 degrees, and its two remote interior angles are 3x and x plus 2x, this angle here. So solving this one, exterior angle is 120 degrees equals the sum of the measures of its two remote interior angles, so 3x then plus x plus 2x. Then this is 120 degrees. Then 3x plus x is 4x plus 2x, that will be 6x. Then dividing both sides by 6, x here will be equal to 20 degrees. So this angle here is equivalent to 20 degrees. Now this is 2x here. So 2 times 20 will be 40 degrees. And this is 3x here. So 3 times 20, that will be 60 degrees. I hope this video helped you. If you have questions about the topic, please comment down below, and see you next time.